Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2007 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6104. This ran from the 12th 2005 to the 9th 2007. It has a QR 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a QR 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, one dent. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket single stack stereo. Instrument cluster. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel.